Welcome to A Diva's Touch. Come with me as I give you a tour of my upstairs bathroom that I remodeled for only $450. Okay, family, we're going to start on this wall here. And these are just pictures that I got the ideas from Pinterest, as well as just online Googling, far as the wording, and I put my own little twist in it. In the bathroom, you will see a number of DIYs. Actually, the whole bathroom is DIY because I'm not a professional. I just do it myself. And I love to do it and put my own little twist to it. Over on this side, we have the regular standard mirror that comes with a home, just a regular builder's grade mirror. What I did was added a frame around it with wood, and I did the stain, and I put the embellishments on it. It was really plain and simple, easy to do. I adhered it with some liquid nails and some painter's tape to hold it. At the top, what you'll see is the regular standard fixture that will come with the home. I actually added some Edison light bulbs. If I can find a picture of how it looked or a similar one, I will insert it. You guys can see I actually added that frame around that as well with the wood and painted. Over here to my floating shelves, which I really enjoy them. Nothing fancy, just plain and simple, just two floating shelves. Like I said, a lot of the ideas that I have in this bathroom, majority of them came from Pinterest, and these were some really quick and simple and easy floating shelves. Down below, I actually have I want to say a toilet table. I'm not sure what you would call this, but that's what I would call it, a toilet storage table. Wow, say that 3 times real fast. Now, this toilet paper holder, I was searching high and low to find one that was at a reasonable price that I didn't mind getting, but I was scared that the gold wasn't going to match my gold that I had in here. So I just said, you know what, let me just get some ideas, and I made one. My son actually really likes to look at videos and as well as listen to music while he's in here doing his quiet time. This is a sign that I actually got off of Pinterest as well. And this is a Dollar Tree frame right there. And I just actually glued that on. And we're going to go over here. This flooring is peel and stick vinyl. If you guys would like to know what the name of it is, I'll try to find that out for you and insert it inside of this. But it was a really cheap one that's actually water resistant, easy to put down and to lay. I did it actually by myself. This whole bathroom was done by myself. My husband had a lot to do, a lot on his plate, and I did not want to wait on him. I love him, but I couldn't wait on him. The cabinet was spray painted a dark gray. This is inside the shower where I installed peel and stick towel in the back, water resistant with a little bit of adhesive. And I also added some molding in the back up here as well. I replaced the fixture with this one from Amazon. Really nice. My son loves it. I'm going to show you all the inside. I added the 2 railing shower curtain that gives it a little curve because this is a small bathroom, so I wanted them to have and maximize their space in here. And this is the rod that I installed in here. Now, this whole bathroom is a custom bathroom. This is something that I actually had a vision of and wanted to execute. So doing that, my vision was to have a valance in here, and one that was customized and that can be masculine yet really nice. And this is what I came up with. If you do remember the before picture that I actually had at the beginning of this video, this was a standard tub. All I did, I'm not going to say all I did, but what I did do was embellished it a little bit. I added some beadboard in the back, which is back here, and I'm thinking about doing this to my downstairs bathroom so you guys can actually see and record that process. It was kind of simple to me. I'm a beginner. I am not someone who's been doing this for years. This is my first bathroom project that's like this. And I added some molding to the tub, and as well as some towel at the top, and I grout that towel, which was really simple and easy because a lot of the things that I purchased were the pre-mixed items or the items that was already made. So this is a good view of the tub. Now over here you're going to see where I purchased some hooks from Amazon and actually installed them on the batting board. And I'm just going to take the towel off so you can see it's easy and space saving. You can actually push all of them up if you no longer need them, and easy to pull down and put your towel on. And I thought those were very cute and masculine. Now here you go with the wall that you guys saw at first. I forgot to talk about the batting wall that I installed, which was really easy and simple. Thank you for watching my first YouTube video. More DIYs to come. See you soon.